think Lopez is where you choose when you want to seriously get away from it.
To me, Lopez always is just so low-key.
When people ask, like, what's the best place to go on Lopez? What do you do when you're on Lopez? It's really about being outside. Go for a hike, go for a bike ride. If you're into going to the beach, it's a really nice treat to be able to find that access.
I mean, it's just stunning. There's a whole food scene here that happens not just in restaurants, but on farms.
It's a little bit more like you're in charge of your activities. Nobody's going to hold your hand and take you everywhere. You get to go adventuring.
Pace is slower, the traffic is less, it's not as crowded. That, to me, is a big plus.
That's kind of the essence of it, is that you're maybe getting away from the city, but you're not trying to necessarily get away from that home feeling.
You're going to relax and you're going to feel like really happy to be here and not concerned about appointments and deadlines and schedules, and you're just going to be on Lopez.
When you stop knowing what time it is, you know you've finally arrived. I see Lopez as a year-round destination. It's a very different vibe at different times of the year. There's always something going on. Things
can be a little bit quieter, but it's still a great time and there's no crowds. The population here is just such a range. Things are just a little more, I think they're more friendly here. People are just really open to meeting people, and you might not have the same ideas about life and politics and whatever, but it doesn't really matter.
Lopez isn't always about like what you do and what you eat and who you see and who you talk to. It's really how you feel when you're here. You kind of feel like you belong here if you stay for a little while.